Pi Network core team has introduced a new update to the Pi launching pad, aiming to strengthening community involvement and make the platform easier to use. As part of the update, pioneers can now take part in testing a second ecosystem token called Slice, with the trial period running for the next 2 weeks. According to the team, latest announcement on X, the improvements are based on the data and feedback collected from the first Launchpad test token, which was introduced on Pi2Day 2026 March 14. Nearly 480,000 pioneers participated in that initial testing phase and provided valuable insights into how the Launchpad system works. Using that feedback, the core team has simplified the participation process, refined the Launchpad mechanics, and improved the overall user experiences. The newly launched Slice test token is now live on the testnet and will remain available until Pi2Day on June 28. Pioneers who want to participate can follow simple steps. Open Pi Launchpad in the Pi browser, review the Slice test token and its project details, choose a community account using TestPi, confirm participations, use the Slice of Pi application and submit feedback. The goal of this testing phase is to evaluate whether the new changes can achieve the intended. The goal of this testing phase is to evaluate whether the new changes can achieve the intended objectives while also giving the community another opportunity understand how ecosystem token will function in the future. The core team has made it clear that Slice is strictly a testnet token and will never be launched on the mainnet. While Pi Network continues to roll out new products and ecosystem upgrades, the price of its native token has struggled. The broader crypto market downturn over the past few weeks pushed Pi to a new all-time low of below $0.12 on June 6. Since then, the token has recovered modestly and is currently trading around 7% above the low. However, the bigger picture remains challenging, with Pi still down roughly 95.7% of its all-time high reached in late February 2025. Despite the weak price action, some on-chain indicator and the upcoming token unlocked schedule suggested that the worst may already be over. The relative strength index RSI remains deep in oversold territory, which often signals the possibility of a strong rebound, although there has not yet been a clear breakout. The Pi core team has continued to focus on expanding the ecosystem and strengthening community engagement through new initiatives and technical upgrades. More recently, Pi has shown signs of stronger recovery, moving higher alongside the broader cryptocurrency market after improving global market sentiments following the reported peace agreement between the United States and Iran. What has happened recently? The core team has remained very active over the past few weeks and has achieved several important milestones. Earlier this month, the project successfully completed its transition to protocol version 24, an upgraded design to improve the infrastructure that supports node operation and mainnet activities. The latest Launchpad update is another major step. By allowing Pioneer to test the Slice token, Pi Network hopes to help new projects connected with the community and grow within the ecosystem. Another highly anticipated event is Pi2Day, celebrated every year on June 28 because it represents the mathematical value of 2Pi. Many community members believe the team could use the occasion to unveil a significant ecosystem upgrade, introduce new features, or even announce a Binance listing. However, none of these rumors have become confirmed, and it remains uncertain whether Pi2Day will bring any major announcements. Earlier this month, Pi dropped below 0.12 cent, reaching the lowest price in its history. Over the past several days, however, the token has benefited from the broader crypto market recovery and is now trading near $0.14, posting around a 4% gain over the past week. Investors are now looking for a stronger rally, but much will depend on whether Bitcoin and the wider altcoin market can maintain their upward momentum. At the same time, reduced token unlocks and several other positive factors suggested that Pi could see further gain in the near future.